You're welcome back to the next video on the Facebook sales and conversion ad campaign. In this video right now, I'm going to be showing you one of the other way strategies to follow to get more tractions on your Facebook sales and conversion campaign. Remember, if you want to get more money, also more conversion on Facebook, to get more people to buy your product, you need to spend so much money on campaign. The money you spend on your campaign is not a waste, it's an investment to your business. So if you want to get more people to see your product and also see your offer, you need to spend so much money on your campaign every single day. So with that being said, let me show you another approach to approach this Facebook sales campaign. I'm going to be doing the same thing I did on the last video, which is going to hit on the create. When I hit on the create, what I'm going to do, I'm going to name this thing as new ad set. Click on new campaign, click on sales, then click it on it up, which is after that I'll click on continue. I'll click on manual, click on continue. So what I'm going to do now, because I'm trying to create a product, I'm trying to sell a product with Facebook ads, I need people who are interested in my product to see it. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run this thing quickly. I'm going to click on advantage campaign budget. Then I'll select like 2,000 and 4,000. This is a test campaign I'm trying to run. I'll select 2.5. Depending on the kind of product you are selling, this 2.5 might not likely work for you. It might not likely work for you. Don't say I didn't warn you. It might not work for you. You text your campaign, and the time for you to shut down your campaign is 4 days after your campaign has been running. Maybe you are not seeing conversions, maybe you are seeing conversions, you are not seeing people. What you should do is to come to your campaign and look at your funnel first of all, because one of the things that will make your campaign to backfire is your funnel, right? Maybe your funnel is not loading, your website link is not proper, is not valid. So maybe come click on your campaign, Facebook will still record it, and you are not getting people to come to your DM. So this is what I'm going to do now. After that, you click on, you see have more options here. You have scheduling. If I click on lifetime budget, that's when I can use scheduling. So I'll click on next. But for sales campaign, I discovered that you just need to put your campaign on steady daily budget. So just leave it so that the thing will start running every single day. So what I'm going to do now, I'll still select these websites because I think most people use website, they don't use calls. So I'll still select that, what do you call it, that campaign I did before. That's book opt-in. I'll still select it. Now look at this page here now. Look at the page I'm working on now. So what I'm going to do, right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I could be able to create this page. I'll come to my website. This is the home page I'm using. This is a particular this thing I'm using on my page. Okay. What I will do now is I'll click on create new flow. Click on flow. It's called Cart Flows. It's a plugin that we use for creating anything like sales page. I click on campaign. I'll just set to like product, something like that in nature. I'll just select the product I want to just use. I'll just run it quickly. You must have known how to create a Facebook landing pages so it can work for you. So this particular course is not about doing Facebook campaign or this. Now click on import, or they say it's a pro version. So I'll go to back. So let me select it again. I think I saw something that interested me. I'll click on it. I think I love this one. These are the photos. These are the landing pages. Okay, it's a pro version, so let me just come to one that I can be able to use. Just for testing purposes. I'm not trying to actually use it for anything. I'm just trying to test it to show you how some things can be done. So I love this one. Let me import it. I'll just name it text first of all. Click on import flow. Automatically it's going to import the landing page designs and everything. So your own, you only know what you're supposed to use on your own landing page to create a landing page. Probably Traffic Architect, or you're using Elementor file, or you're using any other landing page builder you can use. Okay, just find the one that can work for you and design. Now right now this is the page we did before, right? This page we did before. So what I'm going to do now is I have a this step, a this flow to click on. Look at the flow here. Look at it here. So click on view. So automatically view the flow of my campaign. So you can see it's going to be different from what I have before. So this is it here. This is landing page here. So let me, for example, now this is just what I want to use to advertise my product, right? Maybe an e-commerce product. It must have a landing page for your e-commerce products. It must have a copy on your landing page. It must have testimonials on your landing pages. Then you must integrate all these pixel tracking code. I will show you how to do those things. You must integrate all of them and use it for your sales campaign. And also you must use the Facebook event manager to also integrate some tasks, some buttons you can track. All these things can be changed. All these things you are seeing here can be changed. So it does not matter whether you don't know how to do it. Just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, edit with Elementor. It's going to edit it. Now I'm going to do something. I'll click on edit. Now most times this particular plugin does not actually give me what I needed, because I don't know what is probably wrong with the plugin. I'll click on settings, click on custom script. Okay, click on custom script. Now I'll go to my ad manager here. I'll click on view pixel. Let's see how everything is working. There's another way to add these things in your landing page, which is you can find it on the videos on YouTube. Okay, you can find another way to add these tracking pixels on your own landing pages. So I'll just fasten this thing really quick, because I need this thing. Just fasten it really quick here. So look at the page here. So what I'm going to do next is, for my page, from the product I'm trying to create, now use Google Bard or ChatGPT. Okay, use it for your ad copies. I'm going to show you how to use it to create any ad copies you want. So I'm going to use Google Bard now to generate an ad copy for this product I'm trying to sell now. It can be any product at all. It can be your choice of products you want to use, or anything at all. So I'm going to be using Google Bard now to generate my ad copies of this product now. So I'm going to click on Try Bard. Automatically I'm inside Google Bard. Click on Go More, click on Agree. Then automatically it's going to redirect me to dashboard of my Google Bard. So Google Bard is like a competitor to ChatGPT, which will show you a lot of things that you're going to use it for any kind of thing at all. Okay, what I'm going to say here is I'm just going to use it to generate my copy. So you can see the ad copy here. This ad copy I'm using now. I'm going to use the ad copy now to use it for my copy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check, click on done. Okay, click on done. Then I'll come back here. The next thing I'm going to do now is, because I'm selling a particular product that people are not likely to buy, the same thing is you need to exclude, select the location like I told you before. Because of I'm selling a trading course, not every location will buy it. You can decide to leave it at Nigeria. Okay, leave it at Nigeria if you want to. For me, I'll just select Lagos. Lagos State. Then I'll select Abuja. Sorry, not the main Lagos, is this. Select the main Lagos, which is Lagos State. Lagos, Nigeria. Then I'll select Abuja. Then I'll select Port Harcourt. If you want, you can still select more states. I'll select Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. If you want, you can still select more states. But for here, I'm just using it for example. Then the age range matters again. The age range just be something like 25 years. Let's say 23 to 35. 23 to 35 years. Then I'll just leave everything like this. Then I'll come back here to this English again. This language, I'll select English. Remember that the last one I showed you, we use automatic. So I'm going to use manual now, because I want to target any particular placement. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select devices I want to use. If I select on devices, so if you don't want to target people who are using iPhone, Facebook knows people who are using iPhone. So I want my campaign to be showing on all network except Instagram. So it's going to deselect Instagram and make them not to see my product. So right now everything is like this. Now what I'm going to do now is I want to select Facebook right column, because I don't think that one actually works for me based on my own experience on marketing. I'm going to select because I don't want my ad to be spending so much. I don't want to be spending so much money on my ad campaign. Even this Facebook marketplace, I want to select it. I don't really need it because it's very, very relevant there. People will not claim not to buy, because people who come to marketplace on Facebook are just there to buy products. They're not there to see what you're advertising. They will just buy physical product there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm trying to find another one that I can select, which is okay, leave everything like this. Then I'll click on next. If I click on next, it's going to take me to the main Facebook ad. Select the page already. So what I'm going to do now is this place we have this same good image and video carousel collections. I'll click on this media. Then I want to copy this ad copy now. Ad copy, paste it here. This is my ad copy. Okay, this is my ad copy. Now, because of this is a leads, this is a sales campaign or conversion ad, there's something I want you to pay attention here. Like I said before, your landing page matters a lot. Your landing page is what we convert people, convert visitors. Alright? Your landing page is what we convert visitors. So it's very best you choose the right way to do your own business. So your landing page is very important because this is what people will come after reading your copy on Facebook. Alright? After reading your copy on Facebook. And again, depending on what you are selling, your copy matters a lot, matters very, very well. Your image you're using in your campaign matters a lot. If you're using videos, it matters a lot. Your video must be simple, short, and straight to the point. And it must very, very be clear. The elements you use on your videos matters a lot. If you are doing the video editing by yourself, it matters a lot because this is where people can see what you're actually promoting. Then let's come back here. What you need to do again is on this copy now, put the call to action button here. Let's say click here to get started. Please make sure you put the main copy, make sure you put the main link that leads to your landing page, is one you want to use for the sales campaign objective. Make sure you use it, the main one you want to use. So don't go and be using another one that you don't think that is going to work for you. Just make sure you use the one that will work for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just put another landing page that will make people to come and click there. It can be a link to your WhatsApp. But it must be on a landing page. One thing you need to know about landing page and also Facebook is that when you are running an ad on Facebook, Facebook itself will help you filter people who are not interested in your product. So if you are running a campaign on Facebook and you're choosing broad targeting, leave it like that. Facebook knows people who are interested in your product and Facebook will show your ad to them. Not everyone that sees your product will buy it and click on it. So Facebook will likely to show your ad to people who are going to click on it and come to your landing page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on view and copy this link now. This link you are going to put here might be your WhatsApp link, might be any link at all. This is the link I want to use. This is the link I want to use on my own copy. I'll come here now. Pay attention to what I'm going to do now, because of I'm selling a product that has to do with training people about forex trading. I'll just say 1 slot gone. I just say attend. I'll say click to attend. Sorry, I don't know what my keyboard is kind of free. Now, most times, if you know emojis, you can use emojis on your ad copies, on your headlines. All right, you can use emojis if you want. If you know how to use emojis, now you can even browse the emojis. You probably just search for Facebook emojis. I think I got it very well. All right, just search for it. You're going to show you the emojis you want to use for Facebook, for anything. Even all these ones now, you can even use it on your Facebook. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this. Let me say which one I'm going to use. Let me come here. Click this one. Copy it. Just entice your people, entice customers. Now, I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to do here now. Facebook likes when your copy is very simple to read and understand and speak directly to what you want your customer to say. If Facebook should go to review your ad and say that you are trying to mislead people, they will reject that ad. Don't make it look as if you are trying to maybe probably outsmart Facebook and also show them that you are too smart in your copies or you want to probably sell a fake product with their systems. They will know because they're going to review your ad. They're going to click on the ad and will see what is your landing page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on add the images here. Okay. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to add images on some places. I love it like this because it makes my ad copies to look so unique and everything. So what I'm going to do now, because of I'm trying to target people who are likely to buy my product, is this same link, website URL. It can be your WhatsApp link here. It can be your WhatsApp link. Now look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy the link to that landing page I'm trying to sell people to. All right, link to that landing page you want people to click. Copy the link, come to your Facebook ad manager, you paste it there. You can even change the link display stuff here. Okay, you can just say something like just say httpx free. This one does not matter. Ohaque.com. It will not be, this link is not a valid link anyway. It's just like optional link. Then we have something we called add button. We have none, call extension, this one, and the rest. Leave everything to be like this. Don't go and stress yourself on anything at all. You can actually leave these copies like this. You can see everything. You can see how the thing appears here now. Facebook automatically uses the link and also the images in your post as the one you have on your copies. Okay, they uses the images you have on your landing page to display on Facebook ads. So you can see how this thing appears now. Let me click on advanced. Let me show you one of the things that you need to understand here. Click on advanced now. You can see that the placement is 11 out of 11. That means your ad are going to be showing in 11 places with Facebook. So look at how it appears. Look at how your ad appears on Facebook. Click to attend this free training now. You can see it. You can see how the thing appears now. If you click on see more, you can see how the thing appears now. So look at how your ad appears on Facebook. Now I will not advise you to actually run this ad like this, but you can decide to use it. Ad is just about texting. Text the one that can work for you. Anyone works for you, use it and put more money on it. So before I close this thing, what I'm going to tell you now to do now is make sure your pixel is working very well. Make sure the pixel is working and also tracking your landing pages. This will help Facebook also optimize and give you more people that would like to buy your product. So what I'm going to do next again is I'm going to show you something which I normally do, which we have a text option. If you like, you can click on add plus. Then let's see what is going to happen if I click on plus now. Now this plus is let's say add another option for primary text if you decide to add another text, but it's not really needed anyways. Just click on cancel to cancel it. Now remember that I did not add any image here. Please make sure you add your own image. Add the button, the link to your landing page, your own copies. Remember that this particular copy that I use was not posted on my page. It is very good to do it that way, and also very good to post your content on your page. For example, you can even advertise this product here and copy the same link and the same post and post on your Facebook page and leave it there. But what thing is going to happen there is that people who come and comment on that page and also comment on that ad and react on that advertising, the reaction will not be showing on your Facebook page. So it is normal. It is normal. I will say this thing again. Nobody's an expert on Facebook advertising. We are testing our own capacities and also testing our own abilities and knowledge about Facebook ad. But there are more deeper things about Facebook which I covered in my most advanced courses. If you click the link below this video, you're going to see some links in the descriptions that talk about my business purposes. So if you want to learn all those things, you want to get your hands on any of my business or any of my training, you need to click on the link inside the video descriptions. So before I call it a day, before I congratulate you for coming to the end of this Facebook ads course in 2023. Please, if you want to use video ad creative, use video ad creative. If you want to use images, use images. Text different ad campaign objective, text different kind of ad formats, text different audience, text different locations, text interests, text devices, text placements, text everything till you find the one copy and one ad that will help you to give you more sales of your product. So thank you so much, and if you love this video, what I want you to do for me is to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube can show this video to a lot of people, and also share it to your friends so that let them watch it for free and also learn how to run Facebook advertising. This same process now can be used and can be applied if you are doing affiliate marketing. It can be used when you are doing e-commerce. It can be used if you are doing freelancing. Whatever product you are selling, this is how you can actually apply all these strategies. Make sure the PCI is working and it's active on your landing page. This will help Facebook to give you more return of investment of your ad spend daily. So thank you, and this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you.